Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make holes. I'm going to show you in a minute, but I'm going to make holes into jugs, like plastics and things like that. I'll show you an example of things, I guess, like if you want to dig holes into these. I don't know, whatever the reason is, you just want to make holes into these plastic things. By using a hot gun, and I found a screw that actually fits into here. You can go to the store and get a screw, and it's one of those thing that you just screwed in, like a hot gun that you can just screw in. But in my case, see how I made it just like that, and I just made a little thing here, and then I just screw it in just like that, just like that right there. Okay, now this is half an inch. Okay, and that's what that is. My next project is actually, I need a little bit bigger, so I got the 1-inch size for the big bottle, that you just make 1-inch thing into here. And then they have the 3/4 one as well. I didn't drill the hole yet because I wanted to make an example of it. See it? That's how I drill the hole. You don't have to be perfect, because once you put them in here, you know anyway. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in here, and I'm going to leave it hot. Okay, once it gets hot, then I'll come back. Oops, you can't see too good there. I'll come back and I'll show you how it works. Now you see this right here, you have to match that with the screw, so that's what I did. And then I just drill a hole through here. See it? Just borrow a hole through here, and that's how you get your holes. So then you would stick that into there. So basically you would have 1/2 inch, a 3/4, and 1-inch size. That's what's gonna have to happen. Now this here, once it gets hot, it will get really hot. So you might want to get something like this here that is actually like extreme, like at least 45 watts or so. When you buy this thing right here, when you buy the this was a soldering gun, and I turned the soldering gun into a hole puncher, I guess that's what you would call it, and then I used copper instead. Now another method that I didn't do, this is just a tip. Now you see my tip is all messed up right there. Once I have heat this up, I would have to go and clean it off, which I didn't do in my last project. You can see right there. So that's all there is. That's all you have to do. Quick, easy, and simple. And you would have to go to the store and just get these size right here. Like I said, I already have this already. That's a 1/2 inch tube, just a cap, and then you would drill a hole. This is my I'm not using this yet, so I haven't drilled a hole yet. I bought this as my backup, so I'm gonna drill a hole later. Once I drill this one, I'm gonna drill this one as well, but I make sure to put it on here so you guys can see how it works, to make like 1/2 inch hole, 3/4, and then a 1-inch. And it'll be very useful for projects like this one right here. I'm going to use it for my next project, and it's going to be a while to burn, but once it gets hot, then it stays hot. And make sure to have something like this here to make sure that it doesn't get burned or whatever. Okay, sorry, it's a little dark here, but what I'm gonna do is just gonna drill right in the center here. So I just set this up, and I use a vice grip, and please don't forget your safety glasses. Okay, that's important. And I made sure to hold it on to this right here. It's a little dark because I'm doing it like, you know, low light. Actually, I do have a light here. Sorry. Duh. What a dummy, right? Anyway, so the trick is to go really slow and just bury it into here. Now, what you can do also is that you can put a hole puncher here if you want. But in my case, I'm not going to, because I don't really need to. I mean, you don't have to make them perfect, to be honest, because once you have it in the thing, it will work. So anyway, just go slow. Some people like to go the opposite. And that's it. That's all there is to it. You don't have to make it perfect, because when you put them in the gun, you know your circumferences anyway. But other than that, that's about it. It's quick, easy, and simple. Like I did it. It's not that perfect, but I'll show you once I put them in the I guess you can say when I put them in the thing that you screwed in. But anyway, that's it on that, and then we'll continue on. Okay, I think it's hot enough now, and I'm going to show you how I punch this in here. Okay, you just use that and then just punch a hole right through here. Let's see, that's how you do it. So literally you just use it to punch holes. See? And then you just have to clean that off afterward. But that's it. Easy as that. And the reason why I use that is this is my next project right here. I'm gonna go get it really fast. And you can see this in my other video. I'm going to pause it and I'm going to show you that video. Okay. You don't have to make them perfect. Just enough for them to go into here. But the tool would make things a lot easier and faster. Only thing bad about those is this. You can clean it off afterward, but I already made my holes right here, so. And that's it.